What's the meaning of baronet? Baronet. Baronet.
Baronet. Baronet. A baronet is a hereditary title of honor in the British peerage system, ranking below a baron but above a knight. Originally created in the 14th century, a baronetcy is a non-noble title passed down through male heirs, with the holder being addressed as Sir. Baronets were originally created to raise funds for the crown, and therefore are not entitled to sit in the House of Lords. They are typically granted to individuals who have made significant contributions to their community or country. While the title does not confer any legal privileges, it is still considered a mark of distinction and respect in the United Kingdom.